need one more piece of backing here.
Okay, where?
We'll see if you look underneath where our shot tried to.
Yeah, why don't you just knock that over? Okay. Oh, you're fucking me for the backing there.
Okay.
And that's just gonna be in the way.
What's gonna be in the way?
Well, why don't you just hit that in? Hit it in! No, because you got all those fucking nails in the way.
Yeah, but then I gotta fucking... You gonna re-nail it? Hello?
Yeah, sure. Fine.
Which is better because I haven't nailed it from below yet.
Bruno, don't get off of there. Come on.
Why don't you do this?
Yeah.
Clean up like fucking like 8 sheets.
Yeah.
10 sheets. And then you can even pop up here with me.
Yep. What? Say again?
Do you have a T-square here by chance?
No. Wait, yes. Yeah, we do. The architects call it a T-square.
Beautiful. And then if you bring up the corded saw, we'll cut up here. Corded, doesn't really matter.
We'll leave the corded one down here for Dum Dum. Oh, hi, Connor.
You need a saw?
No. Where's the other one?
There's another one right there.
Where?
Oh, right here.
Well, I'm taking this for that. We'll just see about that.
Perfect. Yeah.
talking about the sunlight.
Oh. Sorry, I was going to fall on that
Is it a 2-inch box up there?
That buddy?
Box of 2 inches up there?
No, but I'm not.
Okay.
Like a lot.
Enough?
Should be, yeah.
Okay.
About a stick and a half of feet. I probably got about 30.
Oh, shit. Oh, of course, I already fucking lost one of these square fucking things. One of those square things. Square pegs. Staticky garbage mess.
Hey?
Sounds like a staticky garbage mess.
I'll put my, if you actually put it on Bluetooth, I'll put my phone on.
Fuck's sakes.
Providing you're able to. All these are cut. This is your last bit of ledger. Yep. I'll start cutting the other side. You want to nail up that ledger?
I gotta press the sync button.
So we got to overhang past the 2x6 stud-work 1.25 inches. So that our overlap works on our 2-foot mark.
Okay.
Which
Are we hardlining this?
Hey?
Are we hardlining this?
No.
Okay, good.
What we'll do is, you know what? We're just staggering this 2-foot. So we'll just go to wherever our next piece will be. That one there. We'll be fine.
Well, because we could hardline it on this wall. That wouldn't be that bad because you got shitloads of meat.
That's true. And then the only thing is we want to make sure we keep the right stagger for when our next sheets. Although our next, who knows what our layout's going to be over there.
Yeah, we don't fucking have to carry it on.
No, we don't even know what our fucking layout's going to be over there.
Oh.
Or we just go to that wall and then fuck with it later.
They're probably on. They're probably on 12 or 16s anyway.
Probably if they're 2x4.
Yeah.
These are 24s. They're going to be changing anyway.
Yeah.
And we're going to be adding a rafter right on the other side of that wall on either side, so there's support there right away. So why don't we just go to that 2x6 done?
Halfway.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, the only shitty thing is we're going to have to cut for all of that, but we'll just cut it after.
What do you mean, just like?
Well, because we're going to land on a joist.
Oh yeah, whatever. Well, how about if it runs wild a bit.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
End of
Yeah.
staggering 4 feet.
Okay.
We're just doing 2 feet. So that we end up on that wall, so he can maximize his waterproofing coverage. Head dropper.
Oh, I see what you did here. Okay.
Yeah, didn't have to do that, but
I got you.
that started.
You're good.
Yeah, we're gonna be fine.
Are we just gonna backsheet this?
Yeah, we'll backsheet that after the fact.
Okay.
Because here's the thing: is we need to backsheet that after we get that other rafter and down, because we need to rebuild that there. So there's nothing we can do about that. That's as far as we can go. That's why I wanted to start the 8 foot sheet here, so we go as far as we can today with it.
All right.
Left poly.
That did not sound good.
It's delaminated. A bit.
The sheet's shot or what?
It's not that bad. It's just right here. It's that split. You see where that split is?
Yeah.
Just ever so slightly delaminated.
So we're gonna have to put a block in there.
Maybe, but I also don't have the shot yet either.
Well, here. Hey. Hey.
Throw that one aside.
Take it back.
Yeah.
Connor! Hey, Connor! Oh, you're over there? Can you come grab this? I can throw it down in the house, I guess.
He's coming around.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't stand that. You pay a lot for it.
The sheet's shot. Let's just put it over there by the wheel.